Otago Wolves vs Wellington Firebirds, Super Smash 2023-24, match number 7, Otago Wolves won the toss, elected to bat first. Otago Wolves playing 11. Wellington Firebirds playing 11. Hamish Rutherford, 7 runs. Jake Gibson, 2 runs. Dean Foxcroft captain, 1 runs no wicket. Max Cho, 0. Dale Phillips, 0. Lou Johnson, 7 runs. Ollie White, 1 runs. Ben Lockrose, 1 runs. Travis Muller, 7 runs no wicket. Andrew Hazeldine, 6 runs no wicket. Matthew Bacon, 9 runs 1 wickets. Otago Wolves total innings score 47 at loss of 10 wickets, after 12.4 overs. Tim Robinson, 30 runs. Nick Greenwood, 10 runs. Nick Kelly captain, 11 runs. Mohammad Abbas, did not bat. Jess Tashkoff, did not bat. Nathan Smith, did not bat 4 wickets. Callum McLachlan, did not bat. Logan Van Beek, did not bat 3 wickets. Peter Jonhusband, did not bat 2 wickets. Michael Snedden, did not bat. Ian McPeak, did not bat 1 wickets. Wellington Firebirds total innings score 53 at loss of 1 wickets, after 4.3 overs. Wellington won by 9 wickets, with 93 balls remaining. Player of the match, Nathan Smith for 4 wickets conceding 5 runs.